Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Bluestacks 5. First, you'll want to download and install Bluestacks 5 directly from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience, which typically includes at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor. Once installed, simply launch the Bluestacks 5 application to begin your journey into mobile gaming on your desktop. Next, let's get Brawl Stars installed. Open the Google Play Store directly within Bluestacks 5. Use the search bar at the top to find Brawl Stars and then click the Install button. The game will download and set up automatically. After installation, you'll need to log in with your Google account to sync your game progress and access all your brawlers. Now, let's optimize your controls for a superior gaming experience. Access the Game Controls menu from the right sidebar in Bluestacks 5. Here, you can use the intuitive key mapping tool to assign specific keyboard keys for movement, basic attacks, and your powerful super abilities. This customization allows for much more precise and comfortable gameplay. Remember to save your personalized control scheme. Finally, let's enhance your overall performance and gameplay. Dive into the Bluestacks 5 settings to allocate more CPU cores and RAM, which can significantly smooth out your game. Closing any unnecessary background applications on your computer will also free up resources. With your optimized controls and settings, practice regularly to master your favorite brawlers and dominate the arena. Enjoy playing Brawl Stars.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.